Hey friend, I've been seeing this new wig series all up and down my timeline. The new BareLace wig series from Sensationnel is said to have much thinner, lift resistance, glueless lace base, and is said to have an even more seamless, blendable hairline look. I've been seeing all the videos online, and I had to try it out for myself because Sensationnel is definitely one of my favorite wig companies. So, how does this measure up to all the other lace out there? Well, let's give it a try. Let's get into it and see if it's worth the hype. So the wig we're going to be trying today from the BareLace series is the 13x6 unit number 4, and I picked this up in the color Secret Highlight Honey. First impression after trying it on, I love the soft kind of yaggy texture of this wig. I love my silky wigs, but when it comes to wearing synthetic wigs, I find, in my opinion, that curlier wigs or wigs on the coarser side happen to last longer and kind of create a more natural look. I noticed the cap size on this wig is a little more on the larger size. So I'm going to need to specifically either tighten the adjustable bands or, just tack down my wig spray a little bit more since I'm on the smaller size. The BareLace frontal is said to come with a non-lifted transparent lace frontal, and I noticed the mesh wig cap underneath the wig with silicone lining. So I think that means it's going to have an easier grip, but let's put it to the test and get into this install. can I tell y'all how much I love, and I mean love, the pre-plucked lace hairline on this wig? Like, I'm already a fan, but it looks like they took whatever we loved about their pre-plucked lace and made it 10 times better. I'm still messing around with the hairline and everything, but can you just get into how it looks before I even brush it back? Like, that is so seamless and blendable. I am truly impressed, and the lace is super, super thin. One thing I noticed even when I was waiting for my spray to dry up is that it really didn't lift, even on the parts that I hadn't sprayed yet. The size on this wig was on the larger side, so I was really happy to see the elastic band underneath there as well. It helped me keep it down, and it's a comfortable fit. So if you are looking for something that's big head friendly, or if you're on the smaller cap size, that's a huge plus, because I think it's adjustable and flexible enough for everybody. I don't know, y'all. It looks like we got another keeper on our hands with the BareLace wig series. I'm still getting adjusted to it and playing around with it. But you know what? Just off of my first install and look at it, I can see why it's going viral. Okay, this one might just be worth the hype. But don't take my word for it. Check it out and let me know in the comments if you've tried this wig series yet, or if you would try it. Once again, thanks again for clicking play on this video, and I will see you guys right here, same place, next time. Peace out.